Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to channel Atto. So today I would like to share the sound difference between the stock exhaust of the MT09 and the aftermarket exhaust Akrapovic and also AC Project CRT, but both are clone exhaust, not the original one. I mean the muffler. This is the U-turn pipe. Okay, let's fire up the engine with the stock exhaust. So the sound is not that loud, around 82 to 89 dB, around that the sound produced. This one maybe a little bit higher. Okay, let's see after we change the full system exhaust. Okay, this is the AC Project CRT. Let's fire up. And this is the Akrapovic, but it's not the original one. Same with this one. Let's fire up. Okay guys, hello. That's the differences between stock and aftermarket exhaust with two different sound from Akrapovic and also AC Project. So I'm using AC Project right now. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And also one thing I want to tell you that subscribe is free. No need to invest your money. Just click subscribe to know more videos will be uploaded. Oh, I heard the bike sound. Be uploaded by me soon. Okay, see you guys again. Peace you. Salam MCO.